Hello dear Airbnb enthusiasts and aspiring hosts. Welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for all things Airbnb. My name is Alex, I'm an Airbnb superhost in Dubai and Bali for the past 4 years, and today I'll be delving into the intricacies of hosting, unveiling the pitfalls and sharing golden nuggets to ensure that your Airbnb journey is nothing short of extraordinary. So grab your favorite beverage, relax, and let's embark on this enlightening exploration. First up on our lists of mistakes to avoid is a cardinal sin: ignoring local regulations. Each city has its set of rules and guidelines for short-term rentals, and failing to abide by them can lead to hefty fines and even the shutdown of your business. It's crucial to do your homework, understand the local laws, and ensure that your property is compliant to avoid any unwelcome surprises down the road. Next, let's talk about the importance of a well-curated listing. Many hosts actually make the mistake of skipping this crucial aspect. Your listing is essentially your property's first impression, and a poorly presented one can deter a potential guest. That's why you should invest time in a very high quality photo, a detailed, compelling description, and accurate amenities lists to make your property stand out in the crowded Airbnb marketplace. Now, the pricing aspect. Setting the right price for your Airbnb is an art. Overpricing may drive potential guests away, while underpricing may lead to financial losses. That's why you should conduct thorough research, consider your property's unique features, and use Airbnb's pricing tools to strike the perfect balance between attracting new guests and maximizing your profits. Communication is key in the hospitality business, and neglecting it can be a grave mistake. That's why responding promptly to your guests' inquiries and addressing their needs can lead to glowing reviews and repeated bookings. Honestly, I've done this mistake, and I would only say this: don't let communication be your Achilles' heel towards growing your Airbnb business. You may have spent years to build that business and you think that you have done everything right, and just one small communication mistake or just misunderstanding with the guest could actually lead to ruining your business. One of the biggest guests' turn-offs is actually arriving at the property that doesn't live up to their expectations, specifically in terms of cleanliness and maintenance. Cutting corners on cleaning or just neglecting simple maintenance stuff can eventually result in negative reviews and a tarnished reputation. If you can invest in professional cleaning services and keep your property in a tip-top shape to ensure happy guests and positive feedback. Now that we've covered the pitfalls, let's turn shifts and speak about the pro tips that I personally used towards my success, and hopefully will be useful to yours as well. First things first, creating a stellar guest experience is simply at the heart of a thriving Airbnb business. Just think about the small touches. From providing clear instructions for check-ins to offering local recommendations, every detail contributes to a memorable stay, leading to positive reviews and, most importantly, mouth-to-mouth referrals. In this digital age, also leveraging technology can set you apart from your competition. Invest in smart home devices for your convenience, use dynamic pricing tools to optimize your rates, and consider digital check-in option to streamline the guest experience. Embracing technology not only enhances efficiency, but also positions your Airbnb as modern and guest-friendly. Obviously, running a successful Airbnb business isn't a one-person show. It's very important to build a solid customer support team. Whether it's a reliable cleaning crew or a handyman, or a co-host, these all can alleviate the stress of day-to-day operations. Having a trustworthy team ensures that your property is well maintained and guests are well taken care of, contributing to the overall success of your venture. The world of Airbnb is ever evolving, and staying ahead of the curve requires a commitment to continuous learning. Attend workshops, read industry blogs, and engage to the Airbnb host community to stay informed of any newer additions to the platform. But also learn about best practices and potential challenges. Knowledge is power, and it's the key of a very well sustained, successful business in the very competitive field of short term rentals. Well, there you have it, a high level guide to navigating the Airbnb maze and help you to avoid common mistakes by embracing these pro tips so that you're setting yourself apart for Airbnb success. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, share it with fellow hosts, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on all things Airbnb. This was Alex signing off. Happy hosting.